National Weather Service in Wilmington has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Ohio County in southeastern Indiana, southern Dearborn County in southeastern Indiana, southern Ripley County in southeastern Indiana, northern Switzerland County in southeastern Indiana, northern Boone County, until 4 p.m. At 3:32 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located 8 miles south of Versailles, moving east at 45 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and penny-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Lawrenceburg, Greendale, Aurora, Rising Sun, Hidden Valley, Versailles, Dillsboro, Moores Hill, Wilmington, French, Hartford, Holton, Bear Branch, Aberdeen, Petersburg, Pate, North Landing, Friendship, Versailles Lake, and Benham. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. To report severe weather, go to our website at weather.gov/ILN and submit your report via social media when you can do so safely.